So guys, imagine that my screen's black. You want to click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard. And now you want to click on Task Manager. And now once you're in Task Manager, if it looks like this, you want to click on More Details. And now this will come up. And now you want to click on File in the top left. And then click on Run New Task. And now you're going to type in reg edit. And click on OK. And then click on Yes. And now this will appear. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And then you want to expand software. And then you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to scroll down until you find Windows NT. Scroll down until you find Windows NT. You want to expand Windows NT. And then you want to expand current version. And now you want to click on WinLogon. You want to scroll down until we find WinLogon. You want to click on this folder. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to look for shell. Here it is. You want to double click on shell. Make sure that in the value data, it says explorer.exe. If it says anything else, like anything random, you want to delete all of this. And in the value data, you want to type in explorer.exe. And then click on OK. And then once you do that, you want to click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard again. And now you want to click on the power button in the bottom right. And then click on Restart. You want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.